Hey guys, in this video, I want to show you how to set up your phone number. And this is in case you're going to use the voice AI, SMS AI, or send text messages and other really cool things like that to take advantage of the platform. So first thing that you're going to do is you're going to scroll down here. You should be on your main dashboard. Scroll down to settings, click here, and you're going to look for phone numbers. So let's click in here. And if you've gotten a phone number, you should see your phone number here. Okay. If you haven't yet started your A2P registration, now this is something the government came out with a year or two ago where everyone has to register to send text messages from platforms. So the way you get your phone number is first you go to add phone number here. I always recommend that you get a phone number that's your area code, because you're more than likely going to be texting people who live in your area, right? Or reaching out to people in your area. If you're more focused on virtual, then it's not that big of a deal, but it's still not bad to get something that doesn't look super sketchy, because let's just be honest, we don't respond or answer calls that are, foreign numbers. We don't, right? So there's a couple different ways to get a phone number. So if you want to focus on a zip code, or I'm sorry, area code, you can put in, the area code. So if I'm doing something from my area code, I will put in 513, and I would do first part of the phone number, right? The beginning, the area code is 513, and then I'll see 513 options there. If you want to get fancy and spell a word, so maybe you want to spell tox or something, right? Then you can do the last part of the phone number, and you can do something like that, and you'll see those replies there. You can do up to 4. So if we wanted to do let's say we wanted to do help, right? Which I don't know why we would, but something like that. Then you'll see the last 4 of that, those phone numbers there. So grab your phone number. It costs $1.15. Once you get your phone number, you'll see it here. And the next thing that you want to do is register. So this will, after you get your phone number, this will populate, and you go ahead and hit start now. And we're going to go to start registration now. Now, you want to make sure that you have your EIN, okay? To just a really good idea to use that. If not, you're going to have to go through some other steps. Well, it's not more steps than what's needed. You'll just be limited, okay, to the amount of text messages that you'll be able to send out. So in the next screen, make sure that you put in LLC, choose that option here. Make sure you select that it's an EIN, and be sure to select where you are located there. Put in your EIN number here, your business email address here, your main website, and choose your industry here. So you'll more than likely choose healthcare, okay, if you're a spa, or if you're a different type of business but you're dealing with people, you can choose consumer. You can also choose retail. If let's see here, sometimes it's retail, because you're selling something. Someone can buy a hand cream, or if they can buy a product from you, you can choose retail. So those 3 you're pretty going to be in good shape with. And then once you're done, select your country here, and then choose continue. Okay, next screen, put in your business information, the country, your state, your address, the city, and postal code, and then continue through. Okay, now on this screen, this is pretty important, because they are going to send you a text message to verify that you are the person. So you're going to have to reply to that text message. So put in your first name, your last name, the email address, phone number, okay, your job title, and put in the phone number, and you will see your phone ding when you get to this step. So be sure to reply to your phone. Make sure your cell phone is nearby. Okay, and then once you get to the next screen, go ahead and hit this checkbox. It does cost $20 to register for it's the government thing, right? So, hey, don't be mad at the platform. It's the government, which we can all say some things about the government. So let's go ahead and hit continue there. Now, this is where it gets fun. So make sure campaign use, you have low volume mix. Okay, so just select that. You can actually, in your use case description, the easiest thing to do, let me go ahead and command and see this, because I want to show you something. So in all of these examples, okay, you actually, easiest thing to do is click see example, grab the first option here, copy it, and paste it in, okay? Because this is literally going to be the example. Okay, this is great. So, but you want to fill in the blanks. Okay, so nothing can not have your name, can't have your and it should not be missing your business name and your own individual personal name. So, for example, use case description: this campaign sends appointment information, confirmation, and reminder messages to customers once they have a booked appointment with company name. Put your name here. Med Spa Automation. So name of your company should go there. Okay. And to receive promotional messages from company name, Med Spa Automations. Okay. So go ahead and choose that first option and you'll be good to go. I'm going to back out of here because mine is more specific since I am not a spa. Okay. And then in the second example, you can literally grab here and copy it right in there. Make sure that you say your name, right? So it must include the lead's name, the person who's receiving the message, your name, and your business name. Okay. So, hi, John, lead name. This is David, your name, and, with Med Spa Automation's business name. Okay. Your appointment is confirmed. So this should just be an example of what they would get. The sample message here, which is just another reminder. Let's say they missed the appointment. You're going to send appointment reminders. So mine says, hey, John, lead name, David here again, my name, with Med Spa Automations, business name, right? Just a friendly reminder that your Zoom call is scheduled for today at 3 p.m. We're excited to, right? So there you go. You can check this box or not check this box here. This message will include phone number. So that's just if you say, hey, you can text, reach out to us at the business, our business phone, and then you can include the business phone. So that's kind of a good idea to make sure that's checked. Then go to the next screen, continue. You can grab the example here. Okay. Grab that and literally just plop that in and make sure that your website is on there. And you will be good to go there. Okay. These at the bottom, some examples the campaign will be used for: confirming appointments booked through the website, notify clients of success stories from other med spas, re-engage. So this will be tailored to your business. So appointment reminders for when customers book. So how do leads consent to receive messages? Okay, so this is how they opt in. They opt in by visiting our website and completing the booking form. And then we make it, they have to check the give consent. Okay. Example of your opt-out message. Again, see example, copy that, paste it in, and then just where you see company name, just put your business name there. Okay. And then once you submit, you will be good to go. So this is going to go ahead and submit. They say 2 to 3 weeks, may take 7 days, but I always get a message the next day. Okay. So typically brand goes in, the next day you get approved or not. 99% of the time you get approved, and you'll be good to go. Okay. So that is how we register for A2P messaging, which allows us to then begin sending those automated text messages for you. Okay. See you in the next video.